Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Elk medallions are a fantastic choice for a lean, healthy, and incredibly flavorful meal. They cook quickly, making them ideal for busy weeknights or when you want something special without a lot of fuss. This sustainable red meat offers a delicious alternative to beef, providing a rich, mild game flavor that many people find appealing. You'll be surprised how easy it is to prepare this gourmet protein right in your own kitchen. Proper preparation sets the stage for perfectly cooked elk. First, ensure your medallions are fully thawed, then pat them completely dry with paper towels. This is crucial for a good sear. Next, let the meat rest at room temperature for about 15 to 20 minutes. Finally, season generously with salt, freshly ground black pepper, and your favorite herbs like rosemary or thyme. These simple steps significantly enhance the final taste and texture. Achieving that perfect crust and locking in flavor starts with a high-heat sear. Heat a heavy-bottomed pan, ideally cast iron, over medium-high heat until it's almost smoking. Add a high smoke point oil like avocado oil or a generous knob of butter. Carefully place the seasoned elk medallions into the hot pan, ensuring not to overcrowd it. Sear each side for just 2 to 3 minutes until a beautiful brown crust forms. The key to tender, juicy elk is knowing when to stop cooking. Elk medallions cook very quickly, so use a meat thermometer to prevent overcooking. For a perfect medium rare, aim for an internal temperature of 125 to 130 degrees Fahrenheit. Once removed from the heat, immediately tent the medallions loosely with foil and let them rest for 5 to 10 minutes. This crucial step ensures the juices redistribute, keeping your elk incredibly tender and moist. Now for the best part, enjoying your perfectly cooked elk medallions. They pair beautifully with simple, earthy side dishes that enhance their natural flavor. Think roasted root vegetables, creamy mashed potatoes, or a rich wild mushroom sauce. Slice your medallions against the grain for maximum tenderness and arrange them artfully on the plate. This quick and elegant meal is perfect for any occasion, proving that gourmet cooking can indeed be simple and incredibly rewarding.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.